Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk about MACD and simple moving average combo strategy. This strategy works really well in a trending market condition and has a good risk management. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and also hit the notification bell. Trend trading is a strategy where following the direction of market momentum. The concept is quite simple. Trend traders would buy currency during an uptrend or sell it during a downtrend. The practice, however, can be much more complicated than that. Joining a trend too late will possibly result in a loss since the trend has already exhausted itself. With MACD and moving average combination strategy, you can learn how to ideally enter and close a trade during a trend. This trading strategy works more effectively on trending conditions, so it is not quite effective in range-bound markets. This strategy uses the following indicators: 50 simple moving average, 100 simple moving average. MACD use the default setup. The 50 simple moving average is used as a signal line that triggers the trades, while the 100 simple moving average gives clarity to the trend. The simple moving average can be hourly or daily, depending on the charts. Meanwhile, the MACD confirms that the momentum is in motion. The main idea is to buy or sell when the price crosses the simple moving average in the trend direction as confirmed by the MACD. How this combination works. The moving average lines can identify trend direction, but it sometimes gives false signals. That's why the MACD is added as confirmators. You can see on the chart that there is a bearish crossing between the simple moving average lines. However, the MACD signals a bullish movement as the bars step up from negative to positive area. Buy rules. First, take a look at the 50 simple moving average, 100 simple moving average, and MACD on the charts. See if the following conditions occur. Step number 1: the price moves above 50 simple moving average and 100 simple moving average and it trades above the closest simple moving average. Step number 2: the MACD lines cross the signal line, and the MACD momentum must be positive within the last 5 bars. If not, you have to wait for the next signal. Step number 3: wait for a bullish candlestick and place buy order. Set your stop loss at the lowest low in the last 5 bars from the entry. Sell rules. Sell rules is the opposite of buy rules. Step number 1: the price moves below 50 simple moving average and 100 simple moving average and it trades above the closest simple moving average. Step number 2: the MACD lines cross the signal line, and the MACD momentum must be negative within the last 5 bars. If not, you have to wait for the next signal. Step number 3: wait for a bearish candlestick and place sell order. Set your stop loss at the highest high in the last 5 bars from the entry. MACD and moving average combo strategy can help you trade on trends to maximize your profits. But you have to be aware of its conditions. This strategy should be implemented on pairs that trend well, preferably the major ones. You also need to check the extent of the market trend. Thanks for watching. In case you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.